Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash, and today I wanted to show you guys a broken three-way valve we have here. So this was returned to us. Luckily the guy understood that he made a mistake and used the wrong thing on this. But let me show you here, if the camera will pick that up. So you see that crack there? You look in there, that's Teflon tape. So this stuff right here, Blue Demon or Blue Devil, Blue Monster. It's good stuff. We use this on a lot of like hard fittings, metal to metal, pressure washer hoses, things like that, but not on plastic to plastic. I'm gonna show you guys a better way on how to plumb these things so they don't leak and of course they don't break. One thing to mention too, if this was the inlet or outlet of a 12-volt pump and you plumbed it like that, you're gonna have some serious problems. We never use Teflon on 12-volt pumps. So I got a little sample here. We're gonna throw this thing in the garbage, but I figured I would save it and show you guys what that Teflon does. And one real quick thing, what it does is it expands the collar here, if I'm showing you the right way. So it expands this because the Teflon and the plastic makes it bigger, and it doesn't seed in and it doesn't seal, so it just expands it out. So when it expands it out, it just breaks. So, and of course you have an air leak. Stuff I like to use is the True Blue. You can get this at any Home Depot store. And I'll show you how I do it. I'm doing this in all real time so you guys can follow along, but knock a little off your brush there. And what I do is I do about 2/3 of the way down in here, and I'll show you when I'm all done. And I want to bury the threads. We've plumbed up over the years probably over 100 different setups, and we've never had a problem. So take a look there. See, that's how it's 2/3. See if I can get a better close up there for you guys. It's 2/3 of the way down the threads. It's just buried. It's not too much. I'm gonna put it on here. This is, I'm not gonna put it in the same one that cracked. So I'm gonna put it in here. And then I don't use pliers on this. I want to use the right size wrench. So this right here, this is a 1/2-inch barb. This is banjo. This is a 5/16 wrench. I'm tightening this down in. It would go in until it seats in there pretty well. And then I'll show you here, when I'm done tightening it, what I'm looking for. So you see that there? You see that blue ring? It's not gooping out there. It's not making a mess or anything like that. You got a perfect ring around there. That means that the threads are seated in there and you used enough True Blue. Now, if you didn't see a nice ring or you didn't see it coming out, then you probably didn't use enough. But that right there, that is done perfectly. That's exactly what you want to see. So if this thing was done with True Blue, it wouldn't have had that crack on there. So hopefully that helps you guys out with your pressure washing plumbing. If you guys need more stuff, more help, hit me up down in the comments. I'm gonna step away here to the side. Got a super secret project there that we're working on. I'm not gonna show you too much. Let me see if I can, it won't let me get a little closer, but I'll show you guys when we get closer to that. But we had a bunch of fab work done to that truck. It is a flatbed. We had a flatbed a long time ago, and this is being built for some commercial work that we do. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys more about that truck as we get sooner and further along on the build. See you guys in the next video.